This is gonna be fun. Ooh. So today we're going to be adding this brand new diffuser from ZL1 Addons onto my Challenger. If you look underneath these cars, there is very little done for aerodynamics on the backside. It's basically a big old parachute where the bumper is down here. So this is going to take care of a lot of that stuff there. I cannot wait to get this thing on. It's going to look so much better than these crappy little fins that I have right now. So yeah, it's going to look better. It's going to hopefully help out with a lot of the drag that comes from the bottom side of these cars. So yeah, I'm excited to start this, so let's do it. All right, I went ahead and got my little fins that I had here before removed, just to make this a little bit quicker. I also took out these little plastic push pin rivets, whatever you want to call them, push clips. You will have to take these out to install the new diffuser. It's really very simple. All you gotta do is just pop it out with a screwdriver. So we will have some screws that take its place, and then you're gonna bolt it on the back side, which I'll show you. But got it all cleaned up and it should be ready to go. Now what we're going to start off with, just so I don't have to get back underneath here, is the supports that are going to be going on this differential brace back here. Now it's going to be going in these two holes here. It depends on your car if you are going to be able just to use a thread, or if this is not threaded, you're going to have to use the provided riv nut basically, and put that in and then tighten this up. But thankfully mine is threaded, so all I have to do is just screw that in. Ooh, that's gonna be tight. Okay, well, it is a little bit rusty underneath there, so could be why. Ooh, let me get you to focus. There we go. Yeah, I mean, this car's got some miles on it, so I am going to get these all tightened up in there. I'm gonna have to go grab a wrench probably. All right, got them in. It's a little marred up. Shouldn't be a big deal because it's going to be hidden by the actual diffuser itself. So yeah, it doesn't look the best. I probably should have, WD-40'd the holes or something like that, but it's in. It's not going anywhere, that's for sure. So let's start getting the actual part itself on here now. So the diffuser itself is going to have 4 bolts right there, and that's going to be going in the factory locations where we pulled those push pin clips out. So all I'm going to have to do is take these nuts and put them on the back side. It does come with this little nylon locking thing, I guess you'd call it. It's going to be great for when I'm actually pushing this into the car itself. It's not going to be pushing that bolt down, so that's going to be great. And yeah, like I said, 4 from there, and only 2 right here where we put the support in on that differential brace. So really, it's only 6 bolts that it's going to be in. Should be pretty easy. And like I said, there are some holes underneath here already that we can just pop the new diffuser right into if it would like to line up. Beautiful. Now I'm just going to hold this up. I'm gonna take a couple of the nuts came with it. These are 7/16, by the way, just to hold it in place. And what I'm actually going to do, this is a number 3 Phillips. I'm going to just kind of hold the nut there. There we go. Got that side secured. All right, let's get the middle ones. Alright, now I'm getting all these just tightened up. It's a little bit of a pain to get them in, but as soon as I got them the first little bit in, I could just use the number 3 Phillips, tighten it from this side. It is a 7/16 nut on the back side if you really want to hold it in place, but it actually grabbed the plastic underneath just fine. So yeah, doing pretty good. Now I got 2 more bolts over there to go for the differential support, and this is going to be done. This is going very easily. Alright, back underneath here again, and you can see this is going to line up almost perfectly. So, I'm just going to hold it underneath like this. Just going to take these and line them up. Ooh. Ooh. I might have to loosen these guys up. Probably should have done that in the first place. So right now it's not sitting straight, and you can tell because I can't get this in the hole right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen these Phillips again. Oh yeah, just enough. Okay. Actually, I might even have to bend these guys a little bit too. Oh yeah, now it's good. So I can move everything just enough to get it to start going. There we go, there's one. I'm actually going to bend. I might have to bend both of these. We'll see. Alright, now we're lining up. Beautiful. Okay. So, I'm going to go ahead, tighten these back 2 first, and then we will finish tightening these Phillips in the front here. Well, the rear. All right, we've got it on now. The fitment of it is, it's okay. Like this one butts up just fine, but the middle ones, they kind of leave a little bit of a gap. I don't know if that's how I put it in, because I did kind of have to force the centerpiece back to get those bolts in on the differential. But other than that, it sits pretty well. Don't mind how dirty this is, and yeah, you can see a couple of the marks from where I had those previous fins. But other than that, it is pretty dang good. It is very sturdy, I'll tell you that. The fit of it, it looks a little long, but it actually when you come look from the top, it comes out just past the bumper. So it fits very well. I am very satisfied with that. Overall, this was a very easy product to install. Probably one of the easiest things that I've done to this car. So for the price, it definitely is worth it. I like it a lot. So next thing I want to do now is go take some pictures of this car, because I got this front splitter on too, which if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and take a look at that. But that's holding up pretty well. Loving how this thing is looking. So yeah, that's it for this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.